Question 8. Figure 6 shows how the volume of hydrogen produced is varied in time, and this much of magnesium added to this much of arsenic acid. With the aid of calculation, show that magnesium is in excess of this reaction. Show that this is in excess. So we know magnesium has a mass of this in milligrams, so we can find out the moles of magnesium very easily. We can also find out the moles of ethanoic acid very easily. So let's do that. So the moles, we'll do magnesium first since that's slightly easier. Moles of magnesium is mass over mR, and the mass is 296 milligrams. We want it in grams, 0.396 grams. 0.396 over the mR of magnesium, 24.3. We'll work that out in a bit. Now let's find out the moles of ethanoic acid, or CH3COOH, ethanoic acid. Well, in this case, we're going to use the other formula, moles of concentration of volume, but this is in centimeters cubed, so we need to divide this by 1000 to go into moles per dm cubed. So it's going to be 30 divided by 1000 times by 0.600, and that will give me 0.018 moles, and for magnesium it will give me 0.0163 moles. And then the final mark is showing magnesium is in excess. Well, because we know 0.018 moles of ethanoic acid reacts with 0.009 of moles of magnesium, and therefore we have 0.0073 moles of magnesium is in excess. So something like that. So like, yeah, 0.0073 moles of magnesium is in excess. (8.2) reaction is repeated using 20 centimeters cubed of this much ethanoic acid. Sketch a line to show how the volume of hydrogen produced varies with time, space working. Volume of hydrogen changes with time. We've got time here, the x-axis, volume of hydrogen on the y-axis, and this is for 30 centimeters cubed with 0.600 moles per dm cubed ethanoic acid. This is for this much of this. So what we can do is, firstly, let's find out the moles of this. For the moles of CH3COOH is going to be 20, but we want it moles per dm minus cubed, so 20 divided by 1000 times by 0.800. That'll give me 0.016. Whereas for here with ethanoic acid, we got 0.0018. Oh, we wanted to sketch on figure 6. That makes a whole lot of sense, because I was thinking, how would we show that? Yeah, I want to sketch on figure 6. So we got 0.016 moles. So this is 0.018 moles. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 0.0016 is just going to be here. It's going to be on the 8th line. It's going to level out on the 8th line. So it's going to start at origin. It's going to be slightly steeper, but then it's going to level out on the 8th line. And that is the end of question 8. And now the multiple choice questions, I'm trying to figure something out, but I did tell you guys that I would go through all the AS level questions and A level questions before end of December, January. So I want to get that out of the way. And then multiple choice, I'm not really sure about what I should do with this. Maybe I'll I'll definitely create a separate playlist, and maybe just one past paper, multiple choice questions a week, something like that. Anyway, that's question end of questionnaire.